And to do so, we developed a 7-step model to help you set it up and have a structured approach towards hopefully nice results. So in the 7-step model, we firstly are going to focus on the identifying key attributes that we can assign to products. So by assigning key attributes to products, we position ourselves to be able to move to the next step, and that is making groups out of product groups out of the attributes that we have assigned to products. So if we have a couple of attributes, of course, that we can decide if we can assign, then we can select those and then build a product group out of it. And actually the same kind of strategy we then apply towards customer groups. So we are going to discuss and elaborate on models that we can apply across customer data, and then use the customer data to get insights which key attributes are assigned to customers, and then again assign these attributes together so that we can define also customer groups that we can then take also as a target position. Once the product groups are formulated and the customer groups are formulated, we move, of course, towards the matching of those two. So it can be the case that we assign multiple product groups to multiple customer groups, but it can also be that one product is assigned to multiple customer groups or multiple customer groups to one product. So there's a lot of combinations there, of course. And once we have done that, we, of course, want to determine the optimal price. So in which combination are we going to execute what type of price strategy to make sure that we fetch as much margin out of the market, or maybe we just want to maintain a certain market share or even try to grow market share. So there are some strategies there that we can apply. And finally, of course, and I think this is the general thing that we want to bring over also during this presentation, is that this is not a exercise that you do once, right? So we constantly need to evaluate for sure if we are dealing with more volatile markets, that we have to understand how do we re-evaluate all these steps to be sure that we are always on top of the execution of our strategies, but also are able to, of course, optimize the organization during different periods that we are moving through. And make sure that we are the survivor of certain stagnation periods.